Hey guys, I'm showing you this shelf liner. It's a light gray in color, waterproof cabinet liners, easy to cut drawer mat for the kitchen's cupboard. So let me open this pack. This comes in a nice, pack, and this is a nice roll. So let me just open this one so I can show you the quality. So here you can see this is the waterproof material on the top and the bottom, and then they have like a anti-skid or the skid thing, so you can easily put in there. The quality wise looks really nice and thick. You can just put it in the drawer, that thing I will show you. So you can just spread it and you feel it like the good soft cushion with a waterproof thing, so it will protect your cabinets. So this is a thick roll here. So you can just put it in the drawer. So I'm just trying to cut, and then this is really easy to cut, that you can see. It's like a paper, you can cut directly. So once you cut it, you can then just put it in the drawer. So it's easy and straightforward. This is waterproof as well. I'm putting on the water, you can see, and then you can just clean it or wipe it out, and you can just put it in the drawer, put all the stuff. It's pretty nice for the kitchen and then looks really nice.